I am glad to see you again. I am glad to see you again. It's impossible. It's impossible. What's the date today? What's the date today? They have been under a lot of pressure recently. They have been under a lot of pressure recently. That's all. That's all. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How long have you been working? How long have you been working? That's a good idea. That's a good idea. How did you like it? How did you like it? Same as usual. Same as usual. I agree. I agree. How is the taste? How is the taste? I've got to catch the bus. I've got to catch the bus. Not much. Not much. I have a good idea. I have a good idea. Have you ever been to the France? Have you ever been to the France? Don't hug the shower. Don't hug the shower. I've been very busy. I've been very busy. Would you mind closing the window for me? Would you mind closing the window for me? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Hold on. Hold on. What have you been up to lately? What have you been up to lately? Do you know how to play guitar? Do you know how to play guitar? How's everything? How's everything? It smells good. It smells good. How about you? How about you? It's not difficult. It's not difficult. Take care. Take care. I'd like to see you again next week. I'd like to see you again next week.